All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're back inside the new module we started, the Titanoboa favorites. So let's dive in with some light reading. So in this section, we'll be getting set up with everything we need to start putting our project together. Note we will still be building this project inside of the WSL Ubuntu environment, but we will open up a new folder there to begin. If you are still inside the Web3 directory before we start, we can go to the terminal and run CD to get us back to the main directory. We can create our new file. Once inside our main directory, we can create a new file or a new folder called boa favorites dot not dot but dash cu by running this command in the terminal mkdir, which is make dir or make directory boa favorites cu. Once our new folder is created, we will run this command in the terminal to open it up inside our tab. We'll say code boa favorites cu. This will open up an entirely new tab or folder with our new folder's name, which is going to be boa favorites cu. Now note to open a new folder inside its own tab, we can also just use file open and select this folder to open from the options, which is the regular basic generic way. Now the first thing we are going to do inside this folder is create a new project, the same way we did in the previous folder. We will run this command on the terminal line in our new folder. We're going to say uv init. This command will initialize our bold favorite CU project for us automatically and give us the starter files we need to get started. These are the starter files we are given when we get our project initialized. Let's move down so I can have you look at it. So we're going to get the get ignore, the .python version, the main.py, the py project.toml, and the readme.md. The next thing we will do is fill out our readme.md file. And this is everything that will go inside our readme.file. Let's move down a little bit. So we're going to have boa favorites. It's going to be the title of the README. Then we're going to have a deploy our favorites contract using Titanoboa, interact with our contract using Titanoboa, deploy to the PyEVM network, deploy to Anvil, set the active environment in Boa, and work with the counts. So we're going to leave it there for now. Like I said, we're just setting up our new environment, or not setting up our new environment, but setting up our new folder so we can start running things inside of our new project here, the Titanoboa favorites, where we're going to be using the PyENV. I didn't explain too much yesterday. My fault about the PyENV. The PyENV is sort of like an equivalent to the Anvil. You don't have to open the Anvil at all, like I mentioned yesterday when we run the PyENV, because it's its own Ethereum virtual network or machine. We can actually deploy contracts directly here without having to activate the Anvil terminal. But yeah, you'll see more of it when we move forward, and I actually show you hands-on how we do it without actually activating the Anvil. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.